that? What's Northrop Grumman's position on that? Is it willing to transfer technology
Yes.
to the AESA?
Yes, we are. As you know, it's a complicated topic. This is not something, it's something we had to work within the fabric of American laws, transfer of technology rules, and military technology transfer laws. But we have worked very aggressively on this. We've talked with dozens of Indian companies who could potentially participate in that. And we have been given some permission to do that. And we look forward to doing so if we win the competition. So yes, we are aggressively pursuing the MMRCA TOT goals.
So under the ITAR, you've been given permission to transfer full AESA technology, including the TR modules and all the basic technologies.
I really can't address the details of what we've been given permission to do, but I can.
Details are all important in this.
Oh, I understand.
Well, understand, let's talk from the aircraft level, the F-16IN. We are offering a very robust technology transfer program for the F-16IN, which is fully compliant with the requirements of the RFP. And we're achieving that in various ways, but understand that it does meet all the requirements that the MMRCA RFP offered. I think another point that's important to mention is that, you know, in the terms of military products, military hardware, the relationship between India and U.S. is somewhat in its infancy, right? We're just beginning to have robust military trade between the two countries. Whereas there are, quite frankly, other countries, other suppliers of military hardware which have a much longer history here in India, for instance, with Russian or, say, French platforms. So you would expect that they were farther down the road of understanding the relationship. I offer that as time goes on, the U.S.-Indian relationship will get just as robust, if not more so, than what you've seen in the past. But it's going to take some time as the two countries, the two governments learn to work together. Dave correctly pointed out this is really a government-to-government issue. The issue of transferring these sensitive technologies is not something that Lockheed Martin or Northrop Grumman drives. It's something that the United States government and the government of India are working together to understand. But from an aircraft point of view, from the F-16IN Super Viper, we are offering a fully compliant technology transfer package for the F-16IN. Might also point out that this is not our first time to do this. F-16s have been produced internationally in other countries before. We set up full F-16 production lines outside of the U.S. in Korea, in Turkey, in Belgium, and in the Netherlands, and we know how to do it. It's not our first time to do it. I think we're the only competitor in the MMRCA competition that has set up production lines outside of their home country. So we're very confident that we can meet all the TOT requirements for the MMRCA competition, and we'll do it at the best value for India and at much lower risk than somebody trying to set up a production line internationally for the first time, because we've done it before, we know how to do it, and we'll meet all the requirements.
Is APG-80 installed in the Falcons being provided to the Pakistan?
No.
Sir, what publication are you?
What publication again, please?
Ideal Wing Chief Defense Digest.
No.
No.
No. Yes, sir. Identify yourself, please.
Yes, SP, Air Marshal Bhatia, SP.
My question is that you are speaking about the APG-80 fitted in the F-16 and calling it perhaps the latest fourth generation fighter aircraft. And then we have the fifth generation fighter aircraft, the F-22 and the upcoming F-35, right, fitted with the APG-77 and APG-81 respectively. My question is that all these AESA radars, no matter which aircraft they are fitted in, essentially have the same functions. And therefore, what is the difference between these three radars? Or is it that they are same or similar in capability, but different in sizes to fit in different airframes?
The latter. To tell you the truth, the way I put it normally is that each of these aircraft has been custom designed for the radar that fits in it. Here to see the watermark of each of these. The APG-81 antenna is round. The APG-80 antenna is a squashed circle to fit into the F-16 radome, and the APG-77 is a distinctive shape that fits into the APG or into the F-22. Each of them feeds different requirements as those have been developed. The F-22 and F-35 were developed at very different